Hey everyone, John Henry here from School of Trade, and today we're going to be taking a look at a short trade off of a big area of resistance down here. And it's actually moving so quick, I got to try to move my orders around here. We're going to go 64 for that target, and we'll bump this one down. Right now, just to get it out of the way, we're just going to go to the next area of support below us, which is way down here. Now, we're probably not going to get that far, but I'm just trying to get it out of the way for right now. You can see how fast this is moving, and we've already got that first target met. So let me get my stop back to break even here, and then we'll look for a continued move to the downside. But really what I'm looking for here on crude oil is crude oil kind of shot down this morning. We had this big push lower right before the open, and they attempted to go lower and completely failed and shot right back up. And that gave us this beautiful little area of resistance. Initially, it looked like it was just going to break right down, but then it came right back down, tapped it, and then just fell right off again. So quick little move to the downside, which is why I hopped in. So this area of resistance here between 77.88 up to 77.99, that whole area is where we're going to be looking to sell pretty much all morning as long as it continues to hold. Let me change the colors on those lines there. Change that to something a little bit easier to see. There we go, 77.88 to 77.99. So we got our first target off right here, which happened really, really quick, but we hopped in short, got the first target met. It's 19 ticks. Looking for the second target pretty much wherever it wants to go. It's already met where you assume price is going to go back to those lows again out of that resistance. So now it's really just a matter of, does the market want to fall? And if it wants to fall, how far can we get, and how much can we take out of the market as it falls down? So right now there's really no area of support or resistance that we can operate on to move our stop any closer. So break even is pretty much all we have to work with right now. So now we're just kind of sitting on hands and seeing if it wants to fall a little bit lower. So we'll be back in a little bit and see what we can pull out of it. All right, we're back. We came one tick away from our stop the first time, came down, attempted to retest these lows, and now it's pushing back up again. This is probably going to be where we get stopped out, just seeing the buyer stepping in right here at these lows. If that's the case, then we're looking at a total profit on that next target of 24. So that locks in another 24 ticks on that one. And yeah, we just got stopped out there. So just a beautiful rejection off of that resistance. You can't really ask for a much better setup than that. Like I said, at first, it looked like it was just going to kind of fail and not really go anywhere. But as soon as it dropped back down underneath there, retested it again, and the sellers came right back in again, came in with a vengeance, easily filled that first target. It almost moved too quick. I couldn't move it out of the way. So we got that first target met at 19 ticks, 2 off at 19. So that gives us 38 on the first one, and then 24 more, 2 off there, for a total of 86 ticks on the downside. It's $860. And then just kind of keep an eye on the same level, 77.88, 77.99. That whole area should act as support or resistance until it's broken a little bit later. So if it does come back and retest it, maybe another double tap of that area, you could hop back into the downside. That's going to do it for me this morning. 86 ticks, $860. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade. Don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com. And as always, we'll catch you next time.